I will post this video on the YouTube and people will be in love with you and you will become an overnight celebrity. So what would be your reaction for that? Yeah, hi Amit. Good evening. How are you?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm very, very good. Well, what about you?
Yeah, I'm also good, Amit. So, before we proceed, can you please tell me something about yourself?
Sure, ma'am. Actually, this is my responsibility first to tell about myself. Okay, well, so I'm speaking Amit Kumar from Bihar, northern side of my country. If I talk about my professional lines, so still I'm a student right now. Actually, I'm doing a diploma from government college. But due to this pandemic, totally I'm stuck at my home since last 1.5 years.
Okay.
So it was all about my brief introduction, ma'am. If you have any kind of more query to me, definitely you can ask me.
Sure, Amit. So, what are your hobbies?
Basically, I don't have any kind of particular hobby, but in my free time, I usually, sing a song, go to play cricket with my friends, to meet my colleagues. So these kind of hobbies are available in my, life. But I will not tell each and everything in my, particular hobby line. Earlier, I have told, I don't have any kind of, hobby. But as per my mood, as per my time schedule, I try to do such a kind of, these things.
Okay, so that's very good of you, Amit. So, what type of songs you like to listen to?
Mostly, I like to listen Hindi song, Hindi old
songs.
song, ma'am.
That's great. That's great. So, who is your favorite singer?
If I talk about who is a favorite singer, Alka and Sonu Nigam.
Yay, Sonu Nigam is also my favorite also. He has very melodious. He has very melodious voice. Yes.
Definitely, and that's why I like his voice.
Yes, me too. So, Amit, how did this idea come in your mind that you should start speaking English? Yeah, you are a young person. You should speak in English. But how idea came in your mind?
Okay, there is a special reason behind this language. When I was around 19-year-old, so that time I was watching a television with my family. And whatever actor and actress were talking to each other in English, also I was thinking when I will speak like them. So one of my close friend, he has suggested me, you should try to start this learning language. And again, I tried to help you to internet, and I started. But basically, if I talk about the reason of this language, why I'm learning, because there is especially two reasons. First things, it is my dream to speak English language because I'm very passionate person about this language. This is the first thing. And second things, I want to go to abroad.
Oh, so that's great.
Yeah. So these are the main reason behind this language, why I'm learning this language every day. But very fortunately, nice. I got it today. Recently, before 2 days, I was watching your video. I also thinking when I will get a chance to another people to talk with you. And finally, I have gotten. So it is a really,
that's so nice of you. That's so nice of you, Amit. So, what all things you do?
Sorry, ma'am. It was a pleasure of me.
Yeah. Thanks. Same here. So I am asking what all things you do to improve your English. See, like you are speaking well, you are making good sentences. So what all activities you do to enhance your spoken skills?
Well, first of all, I would like to say 2 and 3 things. Whatever I do for my communication. First things, just I try to speak as much as possible because I have connected so many groups. Okay. Good. And every day I have to attend out of 10 to 15 calls from another buddy. Okay. This is the first things which I do every day. And second thing is more, ma'am, I try to listen. I try to listen more and more like a native speaker. Just sometimes I like to watch movie related to English. Sometimes I try to listen any podcast. So this kind of works I do every day to enhance my language. But if I talk about the journey when I have started, so that moment I wish to do a couple of things like listening, speaking, thinking, writing, reading. These all are tips and rules I wish to apply. But nowadays I have left rest of these 2 things.
And why so?
because I don't like to, invest so much time on this thing, because as far my concern, ma'am, sometimes I feel I'm not like a beginner, because
Okay.
it is not enough for me to do each and every works. It is enough for me if I'm going to work only one path, so that would be better for me. That's why I never try to think more and more, because I also have another work,
Hmm.
the reality of my English.
That's very great. That's very great. So what is the
By the way,
recent
ma'am,
movie? Sorry.
by the way, tell me something about yourself.
Yeah, I am Sarita and I am basically from Haryana. And recently I also started my spoken English journey. And to be very frank, I have knowledge about English, its writing skills, its grammar skills. But yeah, that was in my school time. And nowadays I have forgotten everything because I had not practiced for that. So in this lockdown period, I also thought that, okay, I should also start doing something new and it will obviously help me in my future also. So I started spoken English and I get to learn so many things from the people like you when I converse with the different people. So I learned so many things. So yeah, it's all
Wow,
about me.
that's a good job, ma'am. That's a good job, and I also appreciate.
Yeah, thank you so much. So I was asking, what was the recent movie? What is the recent movie you watched?
Basically, I don't have, really remember what was the movie name when I was watched. But if I will get a time to think, then I will think, because it has been a long time while watching any kind of movies.
Hey,
So it
you
is
are
a
not
quite
fond of
difficult.
watching movies? You don't like movies?
I like, but mostly time I don't like to watch many movies.
Okay. So what
If
is
I
your
will get the
favorite
time
movie?
to watch, otherwise I will never try to get my time to watch any kind of movie. But sometimes
Nice.
I usually listen a song.
Okay. So do you have
Yeah.
any favorite
Apart from
movie?
watching. Favorite movie, Border.
Sorry?
Border.
Border.
Border film.
Oh.
Border. This
So
is my favorite
do you
film.
remember its story? Can you please explain me something about Border movie, their star cast, something, anything?
Basically, I failed to explain each and everything about these
No,
movies,
whatever you
but
can
I can.
speak, whatever you can speak. I just want to
Okay,
listen from you.
actually, really, why do I like that movie? With the help of song.
संदेश आते हैं वाला song.
Yeah, this से आते हैं, yeah. These are all songs are very fantastic, and they're very close to me. That's why I really
Yes,
like to
actually.
watch.
Yes, actually, that movie has a emotional touch. Yeah,
Also, I'm very touched with that movie.
yeah. Those movies are very nice, actually, to be very frank. So, what is your favorite hero and heroine? Who?
Hero, basically, I don't like any kind of hero, but when I will think heroine and actress, so I will think only one, Ananya Pandey.
Oh,
She
Ananya
is my,
Pandey, Chunky's girl. Okay.
yeah, she is my favorite actress.
Oh, that's good. Okay, so what if you wake up in the morning and you are a overnight celebrity? What will be your reaction?
You were talking about myself, man?
Yes, yourself. For example, I will post this video on the YouTube and people will be in love with you and you will become an overnight celebrity. So what would be your reaction for that?
Actually, I'm quite confused because this is the first time which I'm
You
attracting this
take your
question.
time, you think about 30 seconds or 45
It
seconds, then
is
you can.
totally different things from my side. Actually, I will never think this kind of questions.
Yes,
But firstly,
take your time.
I will. Okay. Really, it is a tough question for me, ma'am. So that's why I'm
See,
unable to.
you should be ready. You never know.
Firstly, as per my concern, I would like to manage that situation. I
Okay.
will try to
Hmm,
explain my sometime with all those people who are really like me.
hmm. What
Yeah.
else? How will you feel?
that moment I feel very energetic and very surpriseful, because that moment will become in my life firstly. So definitely I will be surpriseful.
Hmm.
But apart from this, actually I'm purely fail to remember all those surprising things what can be happen with me when I will get a chance this kind of emotional.
So how long you will take to come out of that situation that okay, I have become a star now and people are crazy about me?
Firstly I will try to feel that situation, and I will try to know the situation of that environment.
Okay, good.
Yeah, then I will try
Good.
to manage and overcome from that hesitations and shy and extrovert emotional things. But if I'm going to become a star person, definitely I will try to improve myself,
Huh?
because right now I'm not living in such a kind of environment. That's why I don't have enough knowledge how
Okay.
many how people react, like a star peoples, how do we react when you go into parties in a
Huh?
nightclub. So I
Huh.
don't any kind of experience. That's why I'm totally destroyed to make any kind of sentence and tell about my emotion.
Oh, that's so nice of you. So what do you think
Yeah.
about celebrities' life? See, is it real what we
Yeah.
see on the TV, or is there a different side of coin also? What do you think?
As per my knowledge, as per my point of view, ma'am, it is totally different.
Hmm.
Whatever we watch in a television,
Hmm.
and when we will get a chance to jump into real life,
Hmm.
then we will get so many occur things and error things each and every people life. Also I have a personal problem, and but I don't like to share each and everywhere, because
Hmm.
I also have also have a main personality security. So
True.
I will never try to show my personal things each and everywhere. But
True.
if we talk about the actress who has become a a star person,
Mm-hmm.
so yeah, I think yeah. Also, they have another in life apart from watch movie.
Yes,
Also, they have a,
true.
on their life.
Yes. So, do you think that without bodyguards, they people can come out freely?
No, it is a totally tough. Totally tough. Anybody cannot take a risk to come and go without any a bodyguard and security, because now
Yes.
this is the social media.
Yes,
And if
true.
someone coming, any kind of celebrity person in our locality, definitely a thousand people will be go automatically to meet him and her.
True.
Suppose I also I was there, so also I would there and go to meet. Hey, let's go and meet him and her. Actually, how
Yes.
does it looks like in real
True.
life?
True.
Yeah,
True. And they cannot eat that golgappa in the street also, which every Indian
yeah,
is very fond of.
yeah, definitely. Yeah, it is a
Yes.
quite difficulty for those people to come out, in a public place, in a market.
Hmm. True. Very true. So, how's the political situation in Bihar?
Now it's a fine, but if I talk about 15 to 10, ago 15 to 20 days, it was really critical condition of my Bihar. Also, there was lack of oxygen.
Oh.
But now our government of Bihar, are going to control this critical condition, because nowadays only we are getting 200, 300, it may be 400 and 500 cases are every day as compared than past.
Please.
Yeah, so as per my knowledge, it is quite enough for me, because last 20 to 1 month ago, we are getting in a thousand cases. People who are going to be affected due to this problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, how's the situation in lockdown? Is it still there, or it has been extended? What is the situation?
Yeah, it has been extended for 8 days more.
8 day
But
more.
the situation of market, everything's fine. Anybody can go ahead and there, to take a precaution like mask, like sanitizer, like gloves. Okay, everyone can go there, because in my especially locality where I'm living right now in Bihar,
Hmm.
so everything's open. Sorry,
Okay.
open.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
and also I like to go to every day in a market to purchase something like for my grocery, for my kitchen.
Okay. That's good.
Yeah,
That's
because
good.
nowadays I'm observing everything, what is going on in my area.
Good. Good. So, how was lockdown for you? was it fruitful for you? Like you have started speaking English, you are speaking so well, you are good enough in expressing yourself. So, how will you express your journey in lockdown?
Okay, I would like to tell 2 and 3 things. Okay, whatever I have achieved and whatever I have lost. Okay, 2 things. First things I would like to say for my God, who has gave me such a kind of opportunity to learn something in this
True.
lockdown. Especially, to be honest, ma'am, I learned many things.
Good.
Especially, I'm talking about English, so I learned many things. I got such a kind of fluency knowledge within 8 to 9 months. Before
Wow,
9
that's so
to 8
great.
months, I haven't any kind of enough knowledge about conversation. That moment I was sighing. I was looking here and there before making a conversation to anybody. But now it is enough for me. It's fine for me because I never tried to feel any kind of comfortable.
Yes.
So this is the things which I got in the lockdown. And second things which I have lost, my college life. My college life I have totally lost. Yeah,
Yes.
and every day I
Friends
miss
and
that opportunity.
everything. Yes.
Definitely, that
Yes,
environment
we
I have
all are
totally
missing. We are all missing them. True.
definitely. This is the very awkward things for me. And
Hmm.
every day I try to find any kind of equipment, source. How can I talk to my friend? And mostly I try to talk on Google Meet, Zoom application, and as well as on WhatsApp because it
Yes.
has 1.5 years to meet all of them.
Good. Good. So
So these
Amit,
are the things.
you are speaking so well, and your confidence level is too high. To be very frank, I'm not feeling any kind of shyness on your face or any kind of hesitation while you speaking. So you have grown a lot. It's very appreciable.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's so great. So okay, tell me how did you started speaking English? See, when I'll post this video on the YouTube, there are so many people who are going to watch it, and once they will watch it, they should get to learn something from our conversation also. So give me some tips so that people can
Definitely,
also do that.
definitely.
Yes.
Whatever I have, got experience from my previous time. Okay, firstly, I would like to clear 1 and 2 things more again. Okay, ma'am. What was the strategy of my communication? When I had started learning this language, so I used to do a couple of things. First things, just I try to watch any kind of movie, any kind of podcast, like a small, like a short movies. And second things, I try to make a conversation. Second things, with my mom, with my sister, because before I starting this learning language, already I had told to my mom, hey mom, don't worry, just from today I'm going to start conversation with you in English, whether
That's
I will
great.
speak right or not, no matter.
So you
Because
have also
I
taught
want.
them speaking English?
Sorry, ma'am.
You have also taught them speaking English?
No, she doesn't know anything.
Acha,
But
okay.
whatever I speak to my mom, almost she understands.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, because she is educated. That's why she is quite enough for her to understand my accent, to understand my matter. Whatever I ask to my mom and sister in English, just they understand.
That's good.
Don't try to understand in a deeply way. I can I can understand your emotional and questions, whatever you are asking to me.
That's great. What
So,
else?
by the way, I already had told to my mom and parents, mom, don't disturb me, don't be bother to me. Whatever I'm going to do with you, because it is a habit of conversation.
Yes, true.
So, second thing, just I try to speak front of mirror before before going on my bed. Before going on my bed, I used to talk many things front of mirror. Whatever used to comes from my mind, I try to speak more and more. No matter what was I talking to that moment.
Yes.
Yeah, these are the things which I used to do. And one more thing also, I used to write and reading to improve my pronunciation.
That's true.
Yeah, so these are the tips which I used to follow. But right now I have left all those things apart from 2 things: speaking and watching.
Okay. So who is your favorite YouTuber?
Mr. Chandan Singh.
Yeah, Chandan is everyone's favorite. Yes,
Yeah, because
he's so
he's
good.
from my state. He's from a state, and I like his speaking way. I like his accent.
Yes. Nowadays,
That's
he
why.
has started the cookery shows. Have you
Yeah,
watched
and
that?
also no, but last time I have watched one video of that sir,
Hmm.
and I also have commented, sir,
Hmm.
if it is possible for me, can I take a participate in your classroom, online classroom?
Yes.
He just told me, yeah, definitely you can come and take a participate, but at least you will have to pay some money. Then I
Oh,
told, okay, don't worry, sir, I'm here for you because this is the language for me, and anyhow, I want to speak more and more, like a
yes,
native, like
true, true,
a teacher.
true. So, with how many
Yeah.
people you have conversed till now?
I think this is the first call to you today, okay, ma'am? This is the first call.
Acha, I'm the first one.
Yeah, you're the first one. But if I talk about my daily basis schedule, so every day I try to find out of 5 people.
That's
Okay, with the help of those groups, whatever I have a WhatsApp group.
good.
Also, one of my best friend, she's from Pakistan.
Oh,
She's name of Sadia.
okay.
Yeah, she speaks very well.
Huh,
And mostly in the evening time, I try to talk to her
that's great.
because she's very well. I like her
Huh.
speaking way. Whatever they explain, it is totally fantastic, fabulous.
Hmm.
That's why I like to talk to her.
Yes, we should speak to different
Also,
people. Yes.
hmm, also I have a lots of friends who all have connected with me,
Hmm.
and but due to some home chore, due to some times schedule, I have failed to make any conversations to anybody. But mostly,
Okay.
I'd like to talk to many people out of 5 to 6 people.
That's so great, and I can see your fluency. You are speaking so well.
Thank you, Mao. Thank you.
So thank you so much. Actually, I have learned so many things when I conversed with you. It's so nice of you. So Amit, anything else you want to ask, or we should call it for the day because meeting is going to over in next 1 minute.
Okay. Basically, I don't have any kind of questions to you. But one more thing I want to know from your side: how do you improve your English language? Could you tell me something secret?
There is
Because
nothing like secret. There is
you speak
nothing
very
like secret.
fluent, very energetic. Because you have a good command at this language. That's why I'm asking to you. If it is possible to learn something from your side, so definitely share with me. I also like to include and utilize all the tips, whatever you will tell me. So please,
See,
ma'am, go ahead.
Amit, whatever I have done, I have made all the videos of my practice and my tips and tricks. So there was nothing new in that. As you have learned, I have also learned. But yeah, it's not a new language for me because I have learned English in all my studies. So that was, yes, the spoken part was missing. So I tried bringing that spoken parts in my journey now. But when it comes to written, it comes to grammar, so I was okay with that. So there is nothing new, or everything is
Thank you,
same,
ma'am.
like practicing in front of the mirror, speaking to different people, making a script and then reading that script. So all these things I have also done for my spoken English.
So that's great. It was totally fantastic task and work.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. One thing more I wanna know about my side. Actually, what do you feel? What do you feel about my conversation? Where I have to work more?
See, you are speaking so well. You just need to practice with the different people, and I suggest you to work on vocabulary. Yes, I to be very frank, I have also not started working on the vocabulary, but yes, vocabulary also plays an important role when we speak to the different people. So you just need to practice with the people. You are good in sentence making. You are good in your confidence. I cannot see any hesitation on your face when you are speaking to me. So everything you has overcome. You just need to practice with the different people. That's all. And you need to work on your vocabulary. See, you
Thank you
also
so much.
have
Thank
that.
you so much to hear these kind of things from your side. I
Yes,
really
yes,
like.
yes. You are very good. You are doing great. You just need to keep on practicing. See, practice makes us perfect. The more we practice, the more we will enhance our skills.
Well, ma'am, definitely, and which I'm doing every day with my other friends.
Yes, yes, you should. So, Amit, I think we should call it for the day. So it was nice talking to you. Thank you so much for giving me your precious time. So take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It was my pleasure to connect with you, and I hope I will connect soon as much as possible. I will try to think about you next time.
Same here,
Thank
Ankit.
you.
Bye-bye.